The cricket kit was very expensive. What sounds do we hear in the word kit? Let's touch the squares as we sound it out. The first sound is k, t. Now cross out the k. Square. And what's left? K, it. So kit, take away the k, it is left. Now we're going to sound out kit, but we're going to write the letters as we sound it out. So the first sound that we hear is a k, and that's a k. So we're going to write the k. K, Now that is a short vowel sound. 5 short vowel sounds. A for apple, E for egg, for igloo, R for orange, and A for umbrella. This is the for igloo. It's like being punched in the stomach. Now what's missing at the end? K, t. There you go. K, t. Kit. How do we spell kit? K-I-T. K is a consonant, I is a vowel, and T is a consonant. It's a CVC word. And the vowel is like the glue that sticks the consonants together. If we didn't have that vowel there, we'd have kt, kt,